to Shannon Davies and Althea Seapool. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making another really luxurious recipe of mine, and a really popular one at that actually. I was calling it the Ancient Goddess's Milk Bar, but I am going to actually just change it from that name to Milky Shea. And the recipe is a 65% olive, 30% coconut and 5% shea butter. And here is the almond and oat milk. I use half-half that I prepared earlier, and I have videos also regarding how to make your own almond milk and your own oat milk. So I do 50-50 split, and I find that it's a really creamy, luxurious lather when those two milks are mixed together. So that's what's going on in this pot here. I'm just waiting for it to thaw a little bit, then I will add the lye. I haven't weighed the lye yet because I don't like to leave the lye open as it degrades fairly quick, so I'll leave it in the airtight container. When it's thawed enough, I will weigh it out, and then I will combine it with my ice solution. The coconut oil and the shea butter behind me is melting on very low heat, so I give it about half an hour to 45. And I will be scenting this particular one with a combination again. I've been playing around with natural and organic fragrance oils with essential oils. So this one is a combination of jasmine, which I absolutely love. Jasmine is one of my favorite floral scents. And of course, it's got cedarwood fix, it's got a patchouli fix as well, but I want the patchouli to come through, otherwise I wouldn't use patchouli at all. As you know, patchouli can be very overpowering. And there is also some sweet orange and Ylang-Ylang in here. Sweet orange tenfold, of course, and Ylang-Ylang first grade. That does tend to be on the more expensive side, but the reason why I do use first grade is it's really floral. Very strong and beautiful, and you only need a very small amount. And the dermal limit of the Ylang-Ylang is 0.7%, so I just stuck to 0.5% of the oil amount, 0.5% of the sweet orange tenfold, 1% each of the cedarwood and patchouli, and of course 2% of the jasmine organic fragrance oil from Nature's Flavors. And I get the sweet, because people always ask me where I source my essential oils from. So for my tenfold sweet orange essential oil, I get it from Heirloom Body Care. My patchouli essential oil I got from Naked Press up in Queensland. My cedarwood atlas essential oil I got from New Directions. What else is there that was in there? The Ylang-Ylang first grade as well, that's also from New Directions. And the organic jasmine fragrance oil is from Nature's Flavors over in the States. So that's the combination of scents that's going on in there. It's a really beautiful combination. It used to be just sweet orange and patchouli for this one, but I thought I'll change it up and do a nice blend again. And it's going to be an equal colour split of pink Australian clay, very nice. And I want it to be mixed with just a little shade of blue, so I've done white Australian clay, 90 grams, with 4 grams of activated coconut charcoal. And it's actually 180 gram clay total, so 90 plus 90, and that's because I'm working with 6 kilos of oil, so that's 3%. And I find working with actual 3% clay as well, it really does help anchor the scent down in your cold process soap recipe. Plus working with a full 5% also for your fragrances. Be sure obviously to work with dermal limit, so there's no skin irritation. And of course, I'll be doing it in a slab, and I will be decorating top with rose petals. I get my rose petals also from New Directions, and these are certified organic. And that's it for today's bar / recipe, so stay tuned and let's get soaping. Right, so actually before we get started, I actually just want to point out that this is a very fast moving recipe because of the Ylang-Ylang. Whenever you add even a small amount of Ylang-Ylang, it's going to incredibly increase trace, so I have to work fairly quick. I really do want to try a swirl, but I don't know how effective I'll be with it, but we will see. I'll make a judgment as I'm making it and how hard it'll go on me as I'm mixing in the essential oil and fragrance blend. So we'll see how that goes, and let's get going.